If you need to disable two-factor authentication on your Lyft account, follow these simple steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Open the Lyft app. Launch the Lyft app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on your profile icon or the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings to enter your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Security Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Privacy or Security section. Tap on it to find the two-factor authentication option. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Once in the Security settings, locate the two-factor authentication feature. There should be an option to turn it off. Toggle the switch or select the option to disable it. Step 5. Confirm your choice. You may be prompted to confirm your decision to disable two-factor authentication. Follow any on-screen instructions to finalize the process. After completing these steps, two-factor authentication will be disabled on your Lyft account. Remember to keep your account secure by using a strong password and monitoring your account activity.